Man City are cracking under pressure. Whenever they play before Arsenal, they always find a way to win. Because in fact, the 2 matches that Arsenal have played before them recently, especially if Arsenal win, they always find a way to bottle it, to crack under pressure. And Guardiola is obsessed, and the players are obsessed with winning the Premier League. So the pressure is affecting them when they are not getting the results. But they are playing for Arsenal. I think they should beat Brighton at the Etihad because they dropped 4 points last 2 games. So they need to respond and they need to beat Brighton. And Brighton will give them the way, because the way Brighton play, Brighton will give you the freedom to play because they will play their way. And whenever Man City plays their way, whenever you allow Man City to play how they want to play, they need to find it very easy to beat their opponent. Manchester United, Liverpool, Sunderland. So the team that got them a problem at the Etihad is Chelsea and Tottenham. They didn't allow them to play the way they want, but they want to play. So Brighton will allow Man City to play the way they want to play, and Man City will find a way to beat Brighton and Liverpool. But the problem is that they have an injury. I'm not going to make an excuse for them, because I didn't make an excuse for Arsenal when Arsenal were having their injury. They only lost 1 game. They will find a way to win their matches. But Man City just have few injuries. Now they are finding it difficult to win matches, to win and to score a lot of goals. They have their first level, but when there are a lot of matches, so there will be a lot of tiredness. So I'm not giving Man City any excuse, any leeway that because they are having injury. Other teams are also having injury. When Arsenal have their injury, they are still top of the Premier League. So injury is not an excuse. They need to find a way to beat Brighton and Liverpool, to put the pressure back on Arsenal against Liverpool.